Hey guys, welcome to my OBS Studios introduction video. This is just going to be setting it up and using it for the first time. It's very simple and I'm going to walk you through the steps. So what we're going to do here, let me move myself out of the way, that way I don't block anything. And what we're going to do is we're going to come down here to the bottom and under sources, this is where you're going to have to add all your sources. So I already have 3 of them added because I wouldn't be able to record it otherwise. But to get that in there, go down here to where it says add, hit plus, and then you're going to want to add at least your audio input capture so you can use a microphone, your display capture so you can capture your display, and your video capture device. So this allows you to record yourself with the webcam. Now, once you get those added, you can right click, go to properties, then you get this to come up. And for example, for the video capture device, you can select your camera you want to use. Most people only have one camera, so that is whatever one you want to use is the one you're going to select. Then next, the display capture. Go to properties, and if you have multiple monitors, you can select which monitor you want to capture. I only have one monitor hooked up right now, so there's only one that I'm going to use. Now, once my screen comes back up, there it goes. I'm going to go down here to the microphone, right click, and properties. Now I'm going to have a lot of different microphones connected because I have the Astro headset, the Logitech microphone, and my Yeti microphone. I'm going to select the Yeti because that's the best quality one I have. And there you go. Now it's recording my voice. It was doing that before, but there you go. Now, all you have to do is just hit start recording or start streaming. If you do hit start streaming, there's going to be other options like YouTube, login, and all that. But for this purpose, I am just recording. You hit start recording, and then when you're done, you hit stop recording. You can also go to the settings and select where you want it to output to, which is very simple. If you have any questions at all, please leave it in the comments below. If you have any comments, questions, need help with anything, let me know. Also, hit that subscribe button. I'm going to be releasing videos periodically on instructions on different things you can do with OBS, as well as DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Pro, Photoshop, GIMP, as well as other programs and hardware. So hit that bell, that way when I drop a new video, you will get alerted to it. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.